I've taken my barbecue out of the freezer and I'm ready to smooth it. Taking my larger scraper and it's sliding around. What I have to do is kind of hold it with my hand like this. I mean, I don't want to go like this. I'll make imprints in it. Just kind of hold it at the base and go all the way around. Now what I want to do is just take a regular spatula and I want to fill in any of these little holes. And it's just a thin coat. You don't want to get it too thick. The idea is just kind of putting it on and I'll be scraping it off, and then what happens is the soft buttercream stays within those little air pockets. And it's okay, I can see the cake through it, because remember, this is one we are going to be covering with red fondant. Okay, now at the base there, what I want to do is go ahead and take a piece of the acetate, cup it a little bit at the bottom, and turn. So that gives it a little bit more round effect there at the bottom. Okay, now the top doesn't really have to be that smooth. We're going to have the charcoals on top and the little grate or grill, I should say. So it doesn't have to be that smooth. It's okay that there's some cake crumbs in it. I'm just going to kind of smooth this out a little bit here. Don't make it too rounded though, because you actually want it to have a little bit more of a straight side. But we're going to, take care of that later. Okay, so what you want to do is pop this back just in the refrigerator, and then I can go ahead and roll out my red fondant and then pull out the cake right when I'm going to cover it. That way the cake stays nice and firm, doesn't get too soft on you, and it's just going to make it a little easier for you to work with. Okay, so I'll see you back here when I'm ready to put the fondant on. Alright, so here we go. Our cake, our barbecue cake, is in the refrigerator chilling. And while we're waiting for that, what we want to do is go ahead and get our chocolate work started. So these are just chocolate discs. They're coating chocolate. That way you don't have to temper it. So what I do is just put them in a bowl, and I'm going to pop them in the microwave right here. And I'm going to put it on for about 25 seconds. Regular heat, start it. And after 25 seconds, I'll take it out, stir it. Then I'll probably do another 25 seconds, take it out, stir it, and then I'll go to 15-second intervals, stirring it each time in between so I don't burn the chocolate.